Wow, look at this MG Midget G-Wagon. Wow, look at that. Here's a Camaro. Racing yellow. There's a Maybach. Oh, look at the R8. Wow. Championship white Honda Civic Type R. Oh, it's a manual too. It's on those gold rims. Oh, look at that. What do you got? Lamborghini Huracan. There goes the Lamborghini Huracan. It's on the yellow brake calipers to match. Oh, yellow keyboard artwork on the gold rims. Look at the Aston Martin. Look at this car. There it goes. Look at this car that I see this one every day. Now I'm finally get a good shot of it. But look at this Bentley. Look at this Corvette. It's a Z06 too, even better. Oh, look at that wide body kit. Wow. That is a beautiful 350Z, and it's the Roadster one. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. That is so cool. Oh, there goes the Boystown, the 6.6 left scientific jet with that turbo on it. And there's a Mustang in front. Wow. Look at that Mustang. Blue Challenger with white racing stripes. Looks like a Mustang almost with that color theme.
You're the guy with the devil machine, huh?